Hey, how's it going? I'm Matt from HSH Property Inspection. Put together a little video here to explain to you a little bit about our company, what we are, and a little bit about why we might be a better choice for you and your clients' inspection needs when it comes to your transaction. Hi, my name is Matt Yake. I'm a certified master inspector, and I've been inspecting homes in Wisconsin here for the last 12 years. We work in a lot of different areas of southeastern Wisconsin, and we've been working here for quite a while, so we may have a little bit of reputation that you've heard of before. Here at HSH, there's no roof too steep, no chimney too high. All of our inspectors are Part 107 FAA certified pilots. We use drones to shoot 720p video. We get the drone down to within 6 inches of the surfaces that we're talking about, whether it be a roof surface or a chimney, to give you and the client a good impression of what we're talking about, what we're looking at, and any potential defects that might be observed. As far as the roofs go, there are times when we can't use a drone, in which case we do still get up on a ladder and get hands on that roof to make sure that we're giving you and your client the best information possible at the time of the inspection. Here at HSH, we're not alarmists. We're fact finders. We go in, we identify the facts, we take pictures of the facts, and we put the facts in our reports. We are not making mountains out of molehills or anything like that. We leave the speculation up to other people. That is not our job. And right away in the beginning of every inspection, we always very clearly identify to the client that there is no such thing as a perfect house. We will tell them about the little stuff, but we make sure to very clearly tell them that these are little things, these are home maintenance issues, and in some cases they're just recommendations on making your house a little bit better. Now, throughout our inspection process, we do take a lot of digital pictures, and while your average home inspector may only put 10 to 15 pictures at the back of the report, asking you to refer to the appendices occasionally in the middle of the report, that's not us. We put our pictures right by the thing that we're talking about, so everybody can clearly identify what the condition is that we're talking about. Now, when it comes to these pictures, they are large, they're high quality, so that everybody can see what we're looking at, and that there's very little confusion between the seller's agent, the buyer's agent, the buyer, the seller. Everybody can clearly see and identify what the condition is that we're referring to. All right, so some of our ancillary services that we offer, we do offer radon testing. All of them are NRPP certified. 2 of them are specialists, and that all that they do is go around and set up radon tests, pick up radon tests, and process radon tests. So we're happy to do that for the client. We also offer thermal imaging, which is usually best done in the winter time, because then you can see the cold spots, you can see where air infiltration is happening, you can see all that kind of stuff because the differences in temperature are greater. We also offer sewer scoping. The sewer scoping is for the lateral between the house and the street to see if there's a problem, whether it be damaged pipes, root intrusion, bellies, other types of problems that might be going on in the sewer lateral, as those things can be very expensive, $10,000 to $15,000 to dig that sucker up and replace it. So a sewer scope at $200 is a pretty good deal. Now, one of the other services that we offer is when it comes to VA lending, which you guys come across occasionally, is that they require an NPMA 33 or a VA pest inspection. When we're inspecting a home for somebody that's using VA lending, we do that VA pest inspection and fill out the NPMA 33 at no cost to you or the client. We already have to inspect the house for termites and wood-borne insects and all that other stuff, so it's just a matter of filling out a little bit of extra paperwork, and we're happy to do that for our vets. If they do want it as a standalone thing, say they didn't get an inspection with us, okay, we're happy to fill out the NPMA 33 for you. If it's anywhere within a half hour of Hartford, we charge $75. If it's within an hour of Hartford, we charge $125. And that basically just covers the gas and time that it takes to get out to the location, fill out the paperwork. We always send that over to you guys in an email, and we can take a credit card over the phone from the client or from the sellers or whoever ends up paying for that. I know the VA is a little bit goofy on that, but we're happy to work with you guys and make that as smooth a process as possible. All right, one of the most exciting things that HSH has going on these days is the Helpful Home Inspector Network. The Helpful Home Inspector Network is a network of social media outlets that we're using to get information out to people to help them better maintain and take care of their homes. We put out information twice a week on YouTube to have videos about different things like siding and asbestos and foundation problems and stuff, but we also are putting out a live show where we bring in experts to talk about different topics related to home ownership, real estate, inspections, all kinds of stuff. We also put out a podcast so that somebody can listen to us on the way to work and get information about how they can better maintain and take care of their home. It's a lot of great information, a lot of great resources there for people that are looking to get information so they can know how to better maintain, take care of their home, interact with their home, and make their home a little bit safer and a little bit healthier. Now, as far as our service area goes, we do have a large service area. We operate in all of southeastern Wisconsin. We go up to Sheboygan, down to Kenosha, we go out to Johnson Creek, we even go up to Oshkosh and Appleton occasionally. Now, with anywhere within an hour of Hartford, there is no trip charge, but we do go anywhere in Wisconsin. It's just that when we get outside of an hour, we need to charge a trip charge to get to those locations. Thanks for watching our video today. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me at hshpropertyinspection@yahoo.com, but you can also call or text me at 262 305-0314. We're up until 11 o'clock every night. We never stop answering the phone. If you have any questions, concerns, want to just use me as a resource, we're happy to be there for you. I'm looking forward to putting my team to work to make your life a little bit easier. Remember, the better you take care of your house, the better it's going to take care of you.